Hello, in this video I will show you how to set default paper size to A4 in Microsoft Word. So it's a very easy process. What you have to do is firstly open your Word. Then once your sheet is opened, all you have to do is just simply go to the layout section. Then just simply click on the small arrow under page setup right over here. That will open the extra pop-up window. And over here, just going to go to the paper right over here. As you can see, currently the paper size is letter. So what you do is click on the drop-down menu over here, and that will open a new section over here. This will look for A4, which you can see right over here. Now, if you want a 4 small size, you can also choose that as one thing. So currently we'll only choose A4, normal one, and then you can manually change the width and height as well if you want to. But once you have chosen A4, all you have to do is click on Set as Default. Then do you want to change the default setting for the page setup? All you have to do is choose Yes, and then as you can see, the page has automatically resized itself into an A4 size. That's it, and if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.